Hi, in this video we are going to explain how to use the MDC soldering stations. To begin, let's review some soldering safety notes. When soldering, always wear safety glasses, always turn on the fume vacuum if available, never place the soldering iron directly on the table, never touch the end of the soldering iron to your skin, never solder an energized circuit, and give any soldering surface a minute or two to cool until you touch it. So let's review some things you'll need before starting. Solder, soldering iron, helping hands, circuit board, desoldering pump, now you can put your circuit board into the helping hands before you begin soldering. Make sure to turn the temperature of the soldering iron up to at least 770 before beginning. Also, make sure to clean off the tip of the soldering iron in the soldering sponge.
Cleaning the tip with the solder, it improves heat transfer to the component. Okay, to begin solder, hold your soldering iron for 2 to 3 seconds at one end of the joint. Bring the solder to the other end and apply solder. And once the solder melts, it will flow into the joints and bring your solder away as soon as it flows. Okay, for this soldering, you want to melt the solder with the soldering iron, and once it melts, just use a desoldering pump and suck out the unwanted solder, and that's how you desolder a part. And you can just pull away the parts once it's done. So here are a few tips for soldering. Wet your solder with soldering iron with solder before soldering to increase the heat, the surface area, and also improve the heat transfer to the component. Be careful not to leave the soldering iron on component for too long. This can lead to ruined electronic components.